Hello, fellow travelers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a land where ancient myths and breathtaking landscapes intertwine, a place where medieval castles stand guard over rolling hills, and vibrant cities pulse with modern energy. Get ready to discover the incredible scenes and hidden gems of Romania, all in stunning 4,000. Our adventure begins in Transylvania, a name that conjures images of Gothic tales and dramatic castles. And it doesn't disappoint. Perched high on a rocky outcrop, Bran Castle is the legendary home of Dracula. As we wander through its narrow corridors and secret passages, you can almost feel the whispers of history. But Transylvania is more than just legends. It's a region of enchanting Saxon villages with fortified churches, like Bearden and Viskery, where colorful houses line cobbled streets and time seems to stand still. Imagine waking up to the sound of horse-drawn carts and the smell of fresh bread baking in a centuries-old oven. That's the magic of rural Romania. From the medieval heartland, we journey to the vibrant capital, Bucharest. Once called the Little Paris of the East, this city is a fascinating mix of Belle-Epoque architecture, imposing communist-era structures, and a trendy, modern vibe. We'll explore the charming old town, with its lively cafes and historic buildings, and stand in awe before the colossal Palace of the Parliament, a testament to a complex past. But the real soul of Bucharest is found in its hidden courtyards, quirky bookshops like Cărciurării Carousel, and the lush green spaces of Simigiu Gardens, where locals gather to relax and enjoy life. Leaving the city buzz behind, we venture into the majestic Carpathian Mountains. This is where Romania's wild heart beats. The Trans-Gran Highway, famously called the best road in the world, snakes its way through the peaks, offering jaw-dropping vistas at every turn. We'll hike through pristine national parks, spot unique wildlife, and breathe in the crisp mountain air. At the highest point, we'll discover the glacial Blee Lake, a sapphire gem nestled among rugged peaks. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just seeking tranquility, the Carpathians offer an unforgettable escape into nature's grandeur. Our journey wouldn't be complete without exploring the northern region of Maramureș, a living museum of Romanian traditions. Here, ancient customs are a part of daily life. We'll visit the famous Mary Cemetery of Spinia, where brightly painted wooden crosses celebrate life with witty epitaphs and colorful art. It's a unique and touching perspective on life and death. We'll also marvel at the wooden churches of Maramureș, masterpieces of timber architecture with soaring spires that seem to touch the sky. This region is a testament to the enduring spirit and rich cultural heritage of the Romanian people. From the misty mountains of Transylvania to the artistic traditions of Maramureș, Romania is a country of incredible diversity and surprising beauty. It's a place where every corner holds a new story, every landscape paints a different picture, and the warmth of its people makes you feel right at home. We've only scratched the surface of what this amazing country has to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready to be enchanted by Romania. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. If you love discovering the hidden gems of Romania, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel adventures. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring.